know you can fail 99 times and succeed one time, and it'll make up for that 99 times you failed. But you have to stay consistent in knowing that what you're doing is worth fighting for. And you have to be humble enough to know that once you fail and you make a mistake or there's an error, you have to be humble enough to say, okay, that's not going to work. You can't push a cube through a circle hole. And even if you did, the side's going to be all wore out. And now it's not going to serve the purpose of what it was meant to serve. I've been through a lot, family, but through it all, I keep getting my hog on. And one thing I learned about life is you're going to have people around you when you finally succeed. And you're going to have people around you while you're struggling from here to there. But it's a lot of people that start jumping on your coattail once you finally make it. It only take that one time. All the stuff I have did up to this point, most people probably would have gave up, family. I was told I wouldn't even make it to see 18 years old, but I'm here. And I have done things up to this point that, honestly, it shocks me. I'm still in awe, you know what I mean? Like, wow. But I'm humble. And I'm knowing that what I'm trying to do is eventually going to work out because I know why I'm doing it. And I know I don't have no limitations. And I'm bold. You know, I'm bold enough to know that I'm willing to do whatever it takes. The same way when I was in the streets, I was willing to do whatever it took. I didn't change that. I'm still willing to do whatever it takes to get to that other side. I just pushed away from the illegal activities that'll send me to prison for the rest of my life. So my goal is to just stay consistent and knowing that all the struggles that I'm going through, all the things that I'm doing, working on my mom's house and working on the youth program to teach and help young welders learn a different skill that can actually take them places and actually give them an opportunity to travel and see things they never seen and get them out of a rural area where they, won't have a lot of opportunities unless they retired or, unless they got something they could actually bring back to actually help them benefit. Other than that, there's not a lot around here. Once they get out of school, it's time to move on and find that opportunity. And a lot of times they'll get out and just look for a job. And we know when you're just looking for a job, family, it's always going to be ups and downs. But when you got a career, you really, really, really can make a move. So I just wanted to come to you today and just say, stay on it. Anything can happen once you stay consistent. And that's what I'm doing, family. Like, I'm staying consistent. Like, I'm not giving up. I'm going to make it to that other side. And you're going to be able to watch me do it. Hold on.